Want to run macOS High Sierra on your Windows PC for free? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install it step by step using VirtualBox. No Mac required. Let's get started. Step 1. Get ready your Windows PC. Open Core Isolation and disable Memory Integrity option if it is enabled. Step 2. Install VirtualBox. Visit VirtualBox official website and download and install it free. Step 3. Download macOS High Sierra ISO. Find download link available on description. Visit site and download macOS High Sierra ISO. After downloading, follow installation steps. Step 4. Create a new virtual machine. Go to Machine option from top menu, then click New. Give name it macOS. Select High Sierra ISO image downloaded. Set type Mac OS X version. Mac OS 10.13 High Sierra 64-bit. Allocate at least 4 GB base memory, 2 processor, and 40 GB storage, and press Finish button. Step 5. Configure VM settings. Select Virtual Machine and click Settings. Go to Display option. Select Video Memory 128 MB. Enable 3D acceleration if your laptop or PC support. Now go to USB option and enable USB 3.0 and press OK button. Step 6. Install macOS patches to make Intel PC compatible for macOS. Find patches commands file available on description. Now run command prompt as administrator. Change directory to C drive, then program files, then Oracle, and under Oracle VirtualBox. Now run all commands one by one. Copy command and run on command prompt one by one. Make sure you run all commands. Step 7. Run the VM and start installation. Click Start, wait for the macOS installer to load. Installation take time, so relax and follow the steps. Select your language from list and press arrow for next steps. Select Disk Utility and press Continue button. Now select Virtual Hard Disk and press Erase button. Confirm Erase. Press Done button and close Disk Utility. Now choose Install macOS and press Continue button. Press Continue button. Press Agree button, and when pop-up prompt, press Agree again. Select Drive and press Install button. Now installation start, and it take at least 15 to 20 minutes. Virtual Machine will restart after finish first phase of installation, and after restart second phase will start. Installation of Mac OS takes approx 30 to 40 minutes. That depends on your laptop configurations. After restarting, remove the ISO image first and then start macOS. Go to macOS VM settings. Then go to Storage option. Under Device, remove High Sierra ISO image and press OK button. Now start Mac OS and set up for first-time login. Select your country name and press Continue button. Select your keyboard. Press Continue button again. Data privacy. Press Continue button. Skip for transfer information in this Mac. Press Continue button. Skip for Sign In with Apple ID. You can use your Apple ID if you already have. Press Sign Up later to continue. Press Agree button and then confirm Agree on pop-up windows. Provide full name and account name. Create login password for your macOS and press Continue button. Express Setup. Press Continue button. Wait while settings up your Mac. And congratulations! You've got macOS High Sierra running on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.